What's the meaning of ailment? Ailment. 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 An ailment is a physical or mental health condition that causes discomfort or pain to an individual. It refers to any illness or sickness that affects a person's well-being and functioning. Ailments can range from minor illnesses such as headaches or colds to more serious conditions like cancer or heart disease. They can also be acute or chronic, with acute ailments being of short-term duration and chronic ailments lasting for a prolonged period. The term ailment is often used in medical contexts to describe symptoms of disease or illness, and it is important to seek proper medical attention when experiencing any ailment.